This next song is called La Cueva. Thank you so much for sticking around and being right here. And if you like what you hear, we got flyers over here. We got two lovely ladies right here who have flyers as well if you don't want to walk all the way up there.
Kids are aging, right?
So how you guys doing out there? I can't even hear you. There's like a million people out here. I should hear like screams. You guys guys should move this way. It's like, we don't stink that bad. We don't stink that bad. No? Not one person? Nobody wants to make the move? Okay, I'm just gonna go out there then. I'm just not playing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Who else next? Come on.
Go up there.
This crowd of girls right here, you guys should all, come on. Don't be afraid. Who wants to be standing? I mean, thank you.
Don't fall to peer pressure. Above the influence. Alright, let's go down. I think it's standing.